I'm pretty sure na daghan rin sa inyo makamuadto dyan. Mula pa sa Philippine Arena concert namin, SAW Simulat Vocals concert. So, I'm really excited. Sa May 31 na siya, sa June 1. And of course, i-release na po ang among EP, pinaka-latest EP, i-release na siya. So, daghang kaming surprises sa music, in terms of music sa inyo ha. So, I'm really excited na ma-release ang among EP, ang among mga kanta. Kabalo ko nga mag-inahak kayo mga EP kasi ako, personally, I think this is the best EP na gihimo sa SB19. So, I'm really proud. And, yeah. And, of course, I just want to thank Ayala Center Cebu for having me here tonight. Especially, mo pa'y pagka-renovate sa ilang sa mall. That's why I'm so honored na makapag-perform diri karon. It's such a beautiful place. And of course, makita tayong tanan. But yeah, this is gonna be my last song.
physical entry pass. Your meet and greet pass. Of 8 million greeters. For those who are still up for the meet and greet, finally, please get on back and don't forget your official physical pass. Once again, kindly please present your official meet and greet pass. Meet and greeters, kindly please showcase your official pass and line up at the left side of the stage. We will be collecting your physical entry pass. All you have to do is please prepare your pass by the left side of the stage. Showcase your physical entry pass and line up on the left side of the stage for me to have your official meet and greet with the one and only Philip. Have an organized line for those who have our meet and greet passes. Don't forget to showcase and to give your physical meet and greet passes. Thank you very much. Meet and greeters, please line up on the left side of the stage and showcase your meet and greet pass, your official physical meet and greet pass. Thank you very much and enjoy. of your meet and greet pass. Thank you very much. Please show once again physical copy to all of our staff here in the Alcantara Cebu. And for those who still have not had their meet and greet, kindly please line over here at the left side of the stage. Kamsahamnida. Once again, last call to our meet and greeters who still have not got our meet and greet with Philip. Kindly please line on our left side of the stage. Last call for our meet and greeters before we end today's show. Kindly please line up on the left side of the stage. Thank you very much. Calling on our invited friends from the media. Once again, last call for our meet and greeters and our media. Our invited media, please come by our left side of the stage for your meet and greet with Philip. Last call for our invited media friends. Kindly please come to the left side of the stage for your meet and greets with Alana Noel. And for our meet and greeters, and of course, we'd like to call on